Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees so the dish reaches even heat quickly. This improves texture. While it warms, squeeze all liquid from 1 cup thawed spinach and flake 8 Oz crab because excess moisture thins the dip. Next, soften 1/2 cup cream cheese at room temperature and measure 1 cup shredded cheese and 1/4 cup mayo. Once done, combine the soft cheese and mayo first to create a smooth base that will bind the ingredients evenly. You sauté minced garlic and diced onion briefly until translucent to release flavor without browning. This prevents bitterness. Then fold those aromatics into the smooth cheese base, followed by the flaked crab and the well-drained spinach so you preserve body and avoid separation. Add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan for savory depth and season with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and a pinch of cayenne. Taste and adjust because salt controls. You bake the assembled dip at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until it bubbles at the edges. Then broil for 1 to 2 minutes if you want a golden crust, watching closely so it doesn't burn. Once out, let it rest 5 minutes to thicken, then garnish with lemon zest and parsley to brighten flavors. If the dip seems watery, drain any liquid, return to the stovetop, and simmer 3 to 5 minutes to reduce. Make sure to retaste and correct seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.